Hi, I'm Sarah Jane Oltz, an experiential trauma therapist at the Phoenix Center for Experiential Trauma Therapy, and I'm showing up on your screen today to talk a little bit about the impacts of sexual trauma and introduce you to an opportunity for women's collective recovery, Restoring Wholeness, a group for empowered healing. Experiencing sexual trauma can really feel like it steals pieces of your life. Your sense of safety, trust, and connection with yourself and also others. It's not just about what happened, it's about how it lingers in your thoughts and your body and your relationships. But healing is possible, and you do not have to do it alone. The effects of sexual trauma are wide-ranging. Survivors often experience intense emotions like fear, shame, guilt, feelings that can deeply linger and shape how we see ourselves in the world. Other struggles, such as anxiety, depression, post-traumatic stress disorder, can be persistent. Intrusive thoughts, flashbacks, and nightmares can disrupt daily life and make the world just feel unsafe. There are also physical effects. Chronic pain, sleep disturbances, and changes in sexual functioning are all common as well. Trauma truly can live in the body through our senses, leading to tension and stress-related health problems that often go unnoticed but are so deeply felt. Also, changes like avoiding people or places that could potentially bring up memories of the trauma are common. Survivors might engage in harmful coping mechanisms, substance use, self-harm, isolation, seeking relief, but finding it hard to break free from those patterns. Trauma can also create deep challenges in relationships. Intimacy can feel almost impossible, and a sense of loneliness and isolation can really take hold. And on a deeper level, many survivors struggle with questions of safety and meaning and trust. At the Phoenix Center, we believe in creating a safe environment where survivors of sexual trauma can not only approach the road to recovery, but truly rediscover their wholeness and take back their power. Our specialized group program for women, Restoring Wholeness After Sexual Trauma, a group for empowered healing, is a space where you can feel seen, understood, and supported. It's a place to find strength in the small wins, celebrate your progress, and rediscover who you are beyond the trauma. We focus on practical healing, learning tools to manage intense emotions and break free from the overwhelm. Reconnect with our bodies using somatic-based practices that help restore balance and a sense of safety, and build real human connections with other women who truly get what it's like to walk this path. It's really not just a therapy group, it's truly a community of women who understand the courage it takes to heal, and we're here to reclaim what trauma has taken from us. Personally, it's been a profound privilege to facilitate this group, and I am so honored to walk alongside you in your healing. You're so much more than what happened to you. Healing is not just possible, it is your right. Reach out to the Phoenix Center to learn more about registration for Restoring Wholeness After Sexual Trauma, and take a step toward reclaiming your life, your voice, and your wholeness.